Hopefully you've seen my previous series about how I built this giant shower. Due to the hexagonal tiles on the floor, it's always been a bit of a chore to clean until now. The short version of this is, to clean the grout lines, I wanted to have a cleaner sit in the grout lines without having to trace all the grout lines. So I grabbed a paint stick and some Vim, squirted out too much, and spread it. I thought of using a squeegee, but I didn't want it to squish down into the grout lines and remove the cleaner. So a paint stick, being free, firm, and small enough to easily store, seemed like a good idea. This is very fast and easy, and I can let the Vim sit for an hour or so to do its work. Then a quick scrub and a rinse, and it's all clean. I had tried other scrubbing options, but because the grout lines are lower than the tiles, none of them seem to really work. You do have to scrub a little, and Vim does require a bit of extra rinsing, but all in, I spent less than 10 minutes cleaning the shower floor, and it looks basically like new. Let me know in the comments if you have any other ideas that would make this go any faster.